U National General Secretary ke All India Trinamool Congress AITC u Abhishek Banerjee hagasi palai jong katayo ula Plie ba yak ophis treikam jong kanika seng san perthai Tura West Garo Hills kum shibenta ban penkre bat ban penklan yak seng hagajing yakun yak election MLA kabanwan. Hakane ke jing Plie yak ophis treikam ke AITC Meghalaya leadon lang u President ke TMC Meghalaya ubat Charles Pingrove uno yalam kalyang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma u MLA ke Umroy ubat George Bilingdo kinong yalam bat kinong kitkam kanika seng bat kiwei u Abhishek Banerjee ula ai kublai ya baro kinong yalam bat kinong kershan kaseng kibalat rai shitom banyale ban penklanya kaseng hakarilum Garo bat hakajala Meghalaya baro kawai. Uloong pakathong jong ka AITC kadai ban kentiu ya karoi kapar po kajala badai ban penklanya ke AITC hakajala dah kabadon kajinga dai ba kajinga trailang bat kipat ba jong kajala hi. Nalor kaniya uloong ru ba kasorkar MDA kadai ke Meghalaya Disaster Alliance namar hakapor balathawi ke sorkar hagasnam arajar khatpra kipat ba kiladon ya kibabun kijing angnut bat kijing kerman hendrai kilamat tang ya kibabun kijing tiaw bat kumta la da kipat ba kajala ki kwa ya kijing kala kumba ki angnut kideban mi syakmat bantrai ban wanra ya kijing kala. Ula kentui ke kena puli ke samla bat kipat ba bakin ya trailang hakaban penduk jatno ya kini ke sorkar kabamenta.
The sun rises from the east. This time, India's future and the power, the quest, the hunger, and the determination to usher in a change will start from this very soil. Meghalaya's everyone, starting from the youth to the students, people across all walks of life. I invite you all to be a part of this journey and ensure that this corrupt, narcissistic MDA and NPP government is uprooted from the state in the next 3 months, and a democratic, a progressive, and a government which works for the all-round development of the state and its people are able to firmly make themselves available at every part of your life, every walk of your life. And Trinamool Congress is here, like I said, to stay put. We are not just here to defeat the NPP or to defeat the BJP. We are here to make sure that you get your due, like I said. And Trinamool Congress is the only party which is taking on the BJP head on. There has been many other political parties in the country. But you see, a lot of people, especially my friends in the media and press, make speculations about people jumping ship from Trinamool to BJP or from Trinamool to NPP or from Trinamool to UDP. But as a matter of fact, if you observe the precedents in the last 6 months, Trinamool Congress is the only party where 2 BJP parliamentarians have jumped ship and come to Trinamool Congress. So it is the only party which has been able to take on BJP head on. And we are not going to be cowed down by their intimidation tactics. You be rest assured of that.